Welcome. If you're having trouble downloading photos from Pinterest, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, but don't worry. There are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive into the solutions. First, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading images. To do this, open your device's settings, then click on the network icon. Ensure that you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data is functioning properly. If your internet connection is stable, the next step is to close the app and reopen it. Sometimes simply restarting the app can clear minor glitches that might be causing the download issues. If that doesn't work, consider asking the sender to resend the photo. There might be a problem with the original file or how it was shared, so getting a fresh copy could solve the problem. Another effective method is to clear the app cache. To do this, navigate to your device settings and find the Pinterest settings. Once there, look for an option that says Clear Data. Click on it, then choose Clear Cache and confirm your selection. This will remove any temporary files that may be interfering with downloads. After clearing the cache, it's a good idea to restart your device. This helps refresh all system processes and can often resolve lingering issues. Once your device is restarted, open the Pinterest app again and try downloading the photo once more. In most cases, these steps should help you get back to saving those beautiful images without any hassle. If you continue to experience problems, even after trying all these steps, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Pinterest app. This can fix deeper issues related to app performance. By following these steps, checking your internet connection, restarting the app, resending photos, clearing cache, restarting your device, and reinstalling if necessary, you should be able to fix any downloading issues on Pinterest effectively. Thanks for watching.